That's
speech.
amazing.
Great speech.
Okay, guys, please fill the feedback form for Rahul and fill the attendance sheet also. Okay,
So,
let's
Sarat, we
get
are
the.
not doing attendance and feedback form for today.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sir. It's okay. Okay, guys. Let's ask feedback from Manashi ma'am. Please.
In the meanwhile, you
First,
guys can just, sorry for that, Manashi. You can just.
yeah.
So, guys,
Okay.
how did you like this performance, Ragul's performance? You can just put in the comments, and we would love to see that. And over to you, Manashi. Would love to know your feedback.
I really loved your performance. First of all, I want to say that currently your background and how the whole thing is looking is it's really creative. I was just imagining if you are singing a song with a guitar or something here, it would look really awesome. It's like in a studio and some lighting or something. So it is
Yeah,
really
really.
great. Yes, it is very interesting. So one thing I want to say, you had good confidence. First of all, I want to say, and the fluency was very good. And I just want to say, have you can just light up the speech with a bit smile because it was about the friendship, as Abhishek
Yeah.
sir already told. It was about friendship and it was happiness. So you can just lighten up with smiles and happiness and great. I liked your speech very much. Over to Abhishek sir.
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you, Manashi, for the feedback. And on my part, Ragul, when I talk about this, so I think the good part is there's a lot of content and a lot of life stories, like your friends reserving seats for you and things like that. So I think that's just amazing. But so that's really good wala part, and you're able to put it out. There was no hint of nervousness or something of that sort. So I think that's really good. On the part of improvement, I want you to have a control over your pace. When I say control over your pace, there are two things that I want to tell you that you can work on. One is control over your pace. Um, so what I want you to do is do an exercise which is a one word per breath kind of exercise, one sentence per breath exercise. Just speak one line and then take a breath, then speak another line, then take a breath. Practice it offline so that it will become something in your real life. So that is one. Because right now what is happening is you're going in a direction that's really good, but the thing is you're running like this, you know so you're trying to go here, then here, then here, then here. And what is happening is we are getting confused sometimes in the speech on it is not becoming as interesting as it could be because the content was really good. Okay, so what I suggest is one, work on the pace, make it a little controlled within you, okay, so that you can just take it forward because it's something that you have learned from your childhood, that I know, that's perfectly fine. But the idea is to calm down a little once you're speaking. That is one. And second is this will also help you know what you're speaking. So what happens is that once you're starting to speak now, there are times wherein there's a loop which goes. Same happens to you, wherein the loop is with the same words I told you last time, because and so and all of that. So what is happening is they're coming, so and because are coming, and then you're like, okay, because both yes, so now I have to complete the thing. So I think this is something which is there. I've already shared it in the last session, but I would still insist on the same feedback that you can work on this so that this is something which is taken care of. So that way it will be.
Okay,
Okay,
sir. Thank you.
sure. All right, I think that's amazing, Rahul. And I think Jitendra is here. Jitendra, hi. Can you see us? Welcome to the session. You can just switch on your video and say hi, probably. So you can give a speech in the end. Probably we have some speeches for the guest also. You can give the speech across in the end. And I think Sarath, over to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek sir. Thank you, Manashi ma'am, for giving feedbacks. Let's call upon the next speaker. Our next speaker is Surya Segar. Surya Segar, are you there? No. I think you're
Yeah,
not there.
he's here.
Okay. Then Surya Segar,
Hello.
you're there.
Yes,
Let's,
we can hear you.
okay, you can start the speech. 3, 2, 1, go.
Thank you, everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, who are all present here for this beautiful occasion. Today, I'm going to a smart, short, and sweet speech about importance of friends in life. I'm honestly saying that I have I didn't have friends from my since my childhood. Honestly saying that there is no friends up to now because some of the friends are acting like friend. Their expectations, what are their expectations, and they are expecting from me how to become a friend. I'm trying, not working still. Then I didn't get a chance to play with my friends. I didn't get a chance to study with my friends. I didn't get a chance to eat a lunch with my friends and sharing with my friends. I didn't get a chance up to 15 years. That's the honest truth. In seventh standard, I have tried it. I have tried it around my friends gang. He has scolded me, disturbance me, beating me. Why I don't know. Because I'm a good student in my school and I'm a good student in my college. Not many talented. They don't like my talents, my studies. They want to be like myself. In Tamil, saying that Nanbenda, there is no Nanbenda for me in still now. Someone is using for me for studies, for helps, and lots of lots of lots of items on studies, etc. Blah blah blah. We can say about that. There is no only one friend which I have earned a best one for me. His name is Vishnu Prasad. I don't know where is he, and I have asked. He's no more because of a fire accident in Salem. He was washed away. I don't have friends still now. I'm worrying about that. There is no friends for me, but I don't happy. I'm not happy for my friends. No friends for me. Don't earn a traitor around your friends surrounding. Please earn a good friendship. So fill your expectations in a good manner and maintain your friendship. I have lost my friendship and friends step by step because of my goodness, my good talent. I can't live for the friendship. So there is no friends for me. There are no friends in my contact list also. I'm not speaking with my friends still now. They have forgotten me. Still acting. They are still acting friends. There is no girlfriend. WhatsApp, laptop. So I am praying with God that a lot of friends, a lot of friends are best for this.
Host, can you please mute everyone so Surya will unmute himself?
I think there's the voice coming from Isha. So Isha, you can mute yourself. Okay. Yeah, Surya, you can go across.
Sorry, sir, I forgot my content. I'm sorry.
No
There is an
problem.
interruption in the camera.
No problem.
Okay. Okay. Sorry for the interruption around the technical some errors in this
Yeah.
view.
No problem. Carry on.
So
Okay. Thank you, Miss Host. Let's back to the base. There is no friends for me still in contact list. I didn't mention any of the friends. They are not true for me. They are lying. They are disappointing. Friends are surrounded me. Everybody have a good friends, but why? But I don't know why I have like these friends.
Hmm.
Someone is irritating, someone is hurting, someone is disturbing. Lots of blah 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 blah. And I am good. Only one thing I could say finally to all: don't make your friend as a traitor. Please make your friend as a friend. Don't miss your friendship to you all. I have missed my friendship already. There is no friends for me. I'm saying so. Don't miss your own friendship. Maintain your friendship. July 30th is Friendship Day. I am waiting for all messaging for me Happy Friendship Day. I am waiting for that moment. So this is Surya signing off here. Thank you. Have a good day to you all. Have a good night. So see you next time. Bye.
First of all, give a clap, please.
Everybody give a clap.
Okay, Surya, your story was very emotional. An excellent speech. Okay,
Thank you.
தமிழ்ல சொல்லணும்னா வந்து வேற லெவல் நீங்க சரியா அது ஓகே இப்போ வந்து ஓகே let's speak in English. This worries apart, but I like to say something to you, okay? Because
Okay.
I also have this friends, right? So this will be quite interesting. Okay, this is your situation. So uh, this this is not a permanent situation for you. Your life is more. Uh, you have to face more in life. So this is not a permanent situation. You will
Yes.
you will you will see
Yes.
good friends in future. So don't worry about that. So you will see good friends.
Okay.
Uh, for your increasing your confidence, you can enter into fitness. So this is the instant key I can say you. Okay, let's move to the feedback. Okay, Manishimam, can you say your feedback, please?
Surya, that was an very connecting speech, I would say. You know, your truth that that connected, and we were able to feel what you said. That is really awesome. You know, the calmness of the speech, the everything was like perfect. So just one thing I want to say that you need not search for friends. You know, you have family members, and family members, the friendship you find in your family members, you'll not find anywhere else. And just carry on in your life. It was really connecting, and everybody in the group, I think they have connected with you, and that was really awesome. So over to Abhishek sir, what you have to say about this?
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you. So thank you, Manushi, and thank you, Sarath, for this. So I think Surya, first of all, I think you're a person who speaks from heart, and that is why we are able to connect. You know, everybody had smiles, everybody had tears, and you were able to connect to your story, and that was just amazing talent that you have, because you don't have filters between your mouth and your heart. You say what you feel, and that is something which people really like. That's a very good part. And I'll say you're a genius across in speaking. And I'm just curious to see what all things will be coming across in the forthcoming session. But I think this was really amazing. The way you expressed it, it was really good. And you're just missing. This is on the part of feedback on the session, and that's really amazing. On the part of friendship, I think we all are there. यार क्या कर रहे हो? We all are there for you. We are sitting. We are sitting. Like, I have no friends. अरे we are your friends. You have a community of friends. There are a lot of people who are there who can listen you, whom you can talk to, and there's a favorite friend of yours who can be there. He sits in Trichy, and he has also less friends. But Sarath is also looking for a friend, and you are also looking for a friend. Go have a call, and that way it would be amazing. So yeah, that is something which is there, and things that you shared are really great on the part of friendship. Yes, it is there, and interesting part is, in friendship it is more about giving and taking, and somehow my friends, so I call a concept of called friends for life. So friends for life are, these are the people who are like permanent now. इनको नहीं छेड़ सकते, you can't touch them now, they are just the perfect people. So the in the same way, you'll also need to find the friends for life. And don't worry, you don't have to find them. They will always come into your path, and you'll feel a natural vibe around them. It's just that if you're feeling good and they're making you happy and you are able to make them happy, then put thoda sa effort also into the whole relationship, and that way it will be. Baki, I'm really curious. Why do you have what do you do with the long stick which is on your background? What is that for? Can you see that?
Long.
This
What's
thing,
that?
what we,
Bamboo.
Oh,
the bamboo stick, huh?
that
Aisa
I
bhaiya.
have temporarily made some walls with
Oh, okay, for the background. Wow.
no.
Division of the
Acha,
room.
division.
Uh,
Okay, I was like,
Devotion.
this is for thing like, okay, if somebody fights with me, then I have a pole.
This is my
Take
devotion room,
it,
sir.
huh? That's
This is my
amazing. Thank you,
devotion room.
Thank you, Surya, for sharing your story. That's just amazing.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir. Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can I hug you?
Sorry,
Can I hug you?
you want to hug me? आ जाओ दिल्ली, आ जाओ यार, आ जाओ, चलो आ जाओ. Amazing. सही है यार. I
Thank you,
think
sir.
it would be awesome when we meet personally offline. सब लोग जब
Yeah.
मिलेंगे ना, offline मिलेंगे. I think it would be super amazing.
Mhm.
Let's see. Uh, After January, na, we'll try to make a trip across the country. Maybe that way we should meet. Huh?
that would be great.
That would be great.
चलो ठीक है, करते हैं फिर. Over to the host. ज्यादा मस्ती मत करो यार, तुम लोग तो ज्यादा ही वो हो गए, chill हो गए.
Okay.
Okay, over to you, the host.
Okay, guys. The session is very interesting, right? I think the session is very interesting. Okay, let's call upon the next speaker. The next speaker is Aprajita. Aprajita, are you there?
Mm. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah,
you
Yes.
you're
are
audible.
next.
Hello everyone, my name is Aprajita Chauhan and today I'm going to share my views on the topic importance of friends in life. So I will not ask you the question that have you got any friends in your life, or you are something who you are finding you are something who is finding a friend in your life. So I think that question is a bit personal, and I in a way don't want to hurt anyone's sentiment by asking such question, as I have heard many speeches before and in which some of you were saying that you are finding a friend. But according to me, there is a person that is already there in your life, but you are not able to trace that person. It is my personal experience. So it is said that friendship is the hardest thing to understand and explain, but it is not something which you have learned in school. But if you haven't understood the meaning of friendship, then I think you haven't understood anything in your life. So when you talk about friends, so you don't need lots of friends in your life. That one single person is enough to fill that special place that is there in your heart. So when I talk about myself, so I have a lot of friends. Like, I have a lot of friends to talk, I have a lot of friends to share my thoughts with. But when I talk about one single friend that is actually my best friend, my true friend, then fortunately I can say that I have that single friend. And when I was 5 years old, I met her at school, and we became friends. And at that time, friendship was all about playing together, enjoying. But as we grew older, we realized that it was much broader, and it was much more than that we were thinking. So at that time, when we were in nursery, so we were in the same section, so we thought that yes, we have got someone with whom we can share, we can play, we can do anything. But the tragic point was that after that, for about 10 whole years, we were not sent into the same section. We were in different sections for about another 10 years. So it was very bad experience for us, because I remember that every first day of school every year, the first day of the school, we used to think that, please God, please send us in one single section, because we can't stay in separate sections, because we were not able to find that friend, another friend, the same what we were not able to feel with any other person. But then also slowly and slowly we got adapted, we made new friends in our sections too. We had different friend circles, but the bond which was between us did not got affected due to this. And after 10th standard, she has to move to a hostel because of some family issues. And for 2 years we didn't call on phone, because in hostels mobile phones were not allowed. So then also we were like, it's okay, God is in a way uh, taking it our test, our friendship, test of friendship. So it was, we took it in a normal way. We gave like the required space to each other. Like whatever she liked, whatever she wanted to do, I never interfered. Whatever I wanted to do, she never interfered. I think that is the beauty of a friendship. When you talk about friendship, it is not that enclosing each other in a single box. It is about explore helping each other to explore, to grow as a person, to explore new things in life. So when I talk about my experience of friendship, it has been a great one. And it is said that when you are in a problem, you hesitate to talk to your family about it, because you think that they will judge us, they will blame us for a particular thing. But when it comes to friend, you are very comfortable, because you know that she will not judge you, she will not blame you, and instead she will give her 100% to help you. So when we talk about friends, they are just our chosen family members. So I would just like to conclude by saying that you can survive without friends, but there will be no one who can make you laugh louder, smile brighter, and live better. Thank you.
It's a great performance. Okay, guys. Pranjita, you spoke very well in a positive way. Let's have feedback from Manashwi. Your
Hi,
feedback.
Rajita. Yeah, thank you, Sarat. Hi, Rajita. And, I just wanted to say that when you said that your friend was in another section, that also felt like, why they just divided two friends. It felt so much. So I just wanted to say that your speech was uh, perfectly paced, and everything that you said were very very clear, and I was able to connect with everything, and it was about your story, and that was really connecting. I would say one thing that you can include more of the interaction that you always do in your speeches. So you can just include some more interaction in your speeches. Over to Abhishek sir.
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Manushi, for those feedbacks. And first of all, Aprajita, I can see a lot of work happening on the background. So what you have made this thing, yeah? Like you'll be giving your speeches here. So,
Uh,
hello?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Yeah, what I'm saying is like we can see that the background is really good. I think the wall and everything.
Actually, sir, yesterday I came to my house, which is situated in the city. I was in my village, but yesterday I came in Shimla city. So this is my room, and this is something which my friends gifted to me in my birthday. It is a friends collage
uh,
which my friends, college friends, have gifted to me in my
that's
birthday.
amazing.
So
So I think that's very positive. You have a very positive room. That is interesting.
yes.
Okay, she's like, ha ha, अच्छा लगा मेरे को ये भी अच्छा था. Awesome, that's amazing. So I think today's speech told us that you are actually a storyteller, and that's a very good aspect. You were able to tell that story, and we were able to feel that pain. Ki, why God, why they are not together? And it's like, oh, what's happening? So that way, it's just really interesting. So that is one part which is really good, which is I can see some storytelling things now coming across, and I would want you to do a lot, more of practice of the same thing, right? So that it can be done better, like the climax thing. Like you can make us feel more pain by saying that, okay, when I was maybe in seventh, this thing happened, and I've always wanted that friend should be there, but she was in another session. I was like, oh, what is happening? So something you might be having a lot of perspectives.
Mm.
I think the whole divide was really great, and it was done really nicely. I would say, you know, you could just make it to the climax and then give us the climax. That would be also amazing. And after 12, maybe something happened. I don't know. Because this was a great story, but climax के बाद ऐसा नहीं था कि मतलब जैसे ओह मिल गए चलो बढ़िया लगा हमें.
No, actually, sir, I thought I'm short of time. That's why I concluded
Oh,
earlier because there were lots and lots to say, but I thought there is some shortage of time, so I just
okay.
concluded.
No worries. Second is I would like to say कि experiment with the pace. I've given to a couple of other people, but you also थोड़ा सा experiment करो pace के साथ कि how you can slow yourself down. Okay. When I say slow yourself down, there is a very simple exercise but very effective one. Speak one sentence, take a breath, then speak another, then take a breath. Your stories will become more, I'll say, impactful, and that
Yes,
would
sir.
be amazing. Okay. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
that is one which is as a feedback. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. That's amazing. थोड़ा time पे आया करो यार.
No, actually, sir, I was not feeling
Uh,
well, so I thought not to speak today, but
oh,
then I was not. My heart was saying that no, I have to speak because this was the topic which was really close to my heart. Then I
okay.
thought yes, I should speak
Okay,
and
that's
share my.
amazing. Thank you for speaking out on this. And I think
Yes.
you know if you're not get well soon. First of all, I think that is
No,
one of the thing. मतलब get well soon
thank
वाली
you,
चीजें हैं भाई. Everybody get well soon.
sir.
बोल लेते हैं इसे.
Get well soon, Aparajita.
Thank you so much. It really means a lot. So I know your wishes are always with me. So it's
Yes.
okay. Thank you.
Plus, what I was thinking, this time we had this session called Importance of Friends in Life and something. Why don't we keep another session called My Best Friend type? And we invite those people and have those people listen what we are saying. What do you think? Just a thought.
Amazing,
Yeah, very
amazing
great.
idea, sir.
Huh?
Amazing idea,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Invite people and
nice.
you're like, you are my best friend. इधर आते हैं एक session है. That's what I
It's in
think
July
about you.
30, sir.
Yeah.
6
Surya,
is in
you have.
July.
Sorry.
6 is in July 30.
July 13th. 1-3.
Yes. 30.
3-0, huh? I think that day we can do it, and we can invite one friend.
Yes,
Surya,
sir.
you
That's
have
the
time
friendship
till
day.
then. You have time till then. Either make a friend or find a friend or regenerate your old thing, but just come with the person. ठीक है? I think इसको याद रखते हैं यार. इसको just make a note of it so that around 30th now we'll have this thing and we'll bring our friends. I'll also bring one of my friends. Okay? And we'll have all these people. उनको awkward करते हैं हम. ठीक है? I think over to you, Sarad. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving feedback. And Manashi ma'am, thank you so much. Let's call upon the next speaker. Our next speaker is Sandeep. Sandeep, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please start.
हेलो दोस्तों, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप सब अच्छे होंगे। तो हम सब हर रिश्ते के साथ किसी रिश्ते के साथ पैदा होते हैं, पर एक फ्रेंडशिप ही एक ऐसा है जिसको हम चुनते हैं, जिसको हमको चुनने का कुदरत ने मौका दिया है। तो एक अच्छा फ्रेंड चुनने के लिए हम गुड फ्रेंड चुनते हैं। तो जब भी दोस्ती की बात आती है तो जीवन में एक मित्र श्री कृष्ण जैसे होने चाहिए जो तुम्हारे लिए युद्ध ना लड़े पर तुम्हें मार्गदर्शन सही दिखाएं। और एक दोस्त आपका एक्कड़ जैसे होने चाहिए जो जरूरी होने जो तुम्हारे गलत होने पर भी तुम्हारे साथ है और अंजाम चाहे कुछ भी हो पर वो तुम्हारे साथ दोस्ती निभाने तक है। तो दोस्ती आपको क्या लगता है कि दोस्ती क्या है? प्लीज राइट द मैसेज। दोस्ती से आप क्या समझते हो? दोस्ती का मतलब क्या होता है?
बहुत बड़ा सवाल पूछ लिया। कैसे लिखे 2 शब्दों में?
वन वर्ड ओनली।
ओह, और भी डिफिकल्ट।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू। तो एक अच्छे दोस्त का मतलब होता है कि जो आपकी किसी भी समय किसी भी कीमत में आपके लिए कुछ भी कर सके, जो आपके बुरे और अच्छे वक्त में आपके साथ खड़े हो सके, जो अपना बुरा वक्त आपका बुरा वक्त आए तो आपसे कह सके कि घबराओ मत, मैं आपके साथ हूँ। तो वो आपके लिए कुछ भी सब कुछ न्यौछावर कर सके, तो वो एक अच्छा और सच्चा एक दोस्त होता है। तो ऐसे एक कहानी है, 2 चूहे होते हैं और खेल रहे होते हैं घर में। तो एक आदमी एक चूहे के ऊपर गिलास ढक देता है, तो अब दूसरा चूहा उसको बचाने के लिए उसके सामने बैठ जाता है, आदमी के सामने, कि इसको छोड़ेगा। वो नहीं छोड़ता, तो वो बिल में जाता है, एक चांदी का सिक्का लेके आता है, फिर देखता है, फिर भी वो आदमी नहीं छोड़ता उसे। फिर वो दोबारा जाता है, फिर एक चांदी का सिक्का लेके आता है, फिर भी वो आदमी सोचता है कि शायद इसके पास और चांदी के सिक्के होंगे, इसलिए वो उसको नहीं छोड़ता। जब तीसरी बार जाता है वो, तो पूरी पोटली घसीट के लेके आता है और उसके सामने अपनी जीवन की पूरी कमाई लेके आके रख देता है। तब वो आदमी सोचता है कि शायद अब इसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, तो वो आदमी उसको गिलास को हटा देता है और फिर वो दोनों दोस्त चूहे खेलते रहते हैं और वापस चले जाते हैं। तो उसने अपने जीवन का सब कुछ न्यौछावर उसके लिए कर दिया बचाने के लिए। तो आपको ये बात महसूस होनी चाहिए हमेशा कि एक सच्चा दोस्त हमेशा आपके लिए हमेशा खड़ा रहेगा। तो एक सच्चा दोस्त कभी भी आपके रास्ते में नहीं आता जब तक आप गलत रास्ते में ना हो। लोगों को लगता है कि कंपटीशन होता है कि मेरा दोस्ती शायद मेरे से कंपटीशन हो रहा है, पर वो कभी आपके रास्ते में तब तक नहीं आएगा जब तक आप गलत रास्ते में ना हो।
Some
There's
glitches happening.
तो
glitch.
मेरे हिसाब से कि रक्षा करें, कोशिश करें कि शब्दों में मायूस ना करें, और जब भी दोस्ती की बात आती है तो जीवन में हमेशा उनके साथ रहें, उनके साथ खड़े रहें। थैंक यू।
Wonderful speech, sir.
थैंक यू।
You have given a wonderful speech, sir. Okay, let's ask feedback from Manashi ma'am.
Hi, Sandeep. Sandeep, your
हाय मैम।
speech, it was like I'm just sitting in front of हम सामने बैठे हैं और आप हमसे कुछ ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं. It was not as a like yeah, it was like the one thing that I liked very much was the pace that you were speaking in. इतना आराम से धीरे धीरे, जिसके लिए मैं स्ट्रगल करती हूँ कि इतना आराम से धीरे धीरे कैसे बोलना है, उसके लिए you that was coming naturally from you, and that was really great. So one thing you can just do that, place the camera in front of you and look into the eyes when you are speaking. Your speech will be very good. You have such a calm speech, very peace. The pace was very nice of your speech. Over to Abhishek.
Awesome, thank you. I think you're a good eye to detail, Manashi. That's amazing. और संदीप, आई थिंक मैं जो पहले भी कह रहा था कि देयर आर ग्रेट स्पीचेस, बहुत अच्छी स्पीचेस आने वाली हैं, बस तुम्हें थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए. यू नीड सम टाइम टू कम आउट, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द गुड स्पीच. अभी तो इससे तो बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी आने वाली है. आई नो दैट ऑल्सो. So that is something which is there, really good one. But मेरा एक बेसिक सा क्वेश्चन है, वो मैं एंड में पूछता हूँ आपसे. उससे पहले ये था कि हाँ, गुड पार्ट इज रियली गुड. आपने जैसे कहानी बताई और कैसे पूरा जोड़े रखा और स्लो में बात किया, दैट वाज रियली गुड, है ना. इम्प्रूवमेंट पे आई थिंक वन मानुजी हैज कवर्ड विद द कैमरा. थोड़ा सा कोशिश ऐसे करो कि कुछ टेबल या ऐसा कुछ रख लो, जिससे ना तुम्हारे हाथ वाथ भी ना सामने आते रहे और तुम ऐसे कहानी जब बताओ तो फिर ना ऐसे एक्सप्रेस कर सको. कभी तो ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे ना मजबूरी में कहानी सुना रहा है. मतलब
एक
अरे
तो मतलब
ये सुनोगे
पीजी में
क्या,
रहना, पीजी में
चलो
रहना
ठीक
पड़ता
है
था
ये
इसलिए।
सुन लो फिर. Okay, so that is one of the thing, and yeah, I think अभी थोड़ा सा और भी करो, in the same way. Just do these things. I'm looking forward for seeing couple of more stories. और stories मैं देखना चाहता हूँ, so that एक वो confidence level grow कर जाए आपका as a speaker. उसके बाद I will give comments on improvement, feedback and things like that. ठीक है, बाकी कंसिस्टेंट करो इस चीज को, एंड दैट वे इट विल बी अमेजिंग. ठीक है, मजा आया. और जो मेरा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था, जो मतलब बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो मेरे दिमाग में जब जब से मैंने आपकी स्टोरी सुनी है तब से चल रहा था, वो ये था, ये चूहा ये चांदी के सिक्कों क्या कर रहा था? व्हाट वाज द माउस डूइंग विद द सिल्वर कॉइन? हाउ कैन दैट बी हिज जीवन भर की कमाई?
पहले जमाने में सिल्वर ही कॉइन होते थे शायद.
अरे पर चूहा क्यों करेगा? चलो ठीक है, आई थिंक दैट्स गुड स्टोरी, गुड पॉइंट टेकन आउट. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, ओवर टू द होस्ट.
थैंक यू.
मिस्टर गेम ओवर.
Thank you, Abhishek sir and Manashi ma'am for giving the feedback for Sandeep sir. Okay, let's call upon the next speaker. Our next speaker is Jignath Shah.
He's like, finally,
I think I'm pronouncing the.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, all. So basically, friendship is all about the thing. I believe, in my opinion, the friendship is like family. Basically, family supports us in a good or bad situation. The same thing with friendship also. So one good friend always shows the right direction and right way. Definitely, he or she will show us right way, right? But the worst friend will show you definitely a bad direction, like many of the things, like go in I can say this. The thing is, the worst thing is, they show you wrong direction, like smoking and all these things, drinking and all these things basically. But a good friend always show you definitely a right direction. So in Hindi I will say that दोस्त बेशक ऐसा हो जो अपने अल्फाज से ज्यादा खामोशी को समझे. So basically that is the thing. मतलब I will say that the friend who will learn or say many things from your face reactions only, not from your words. And I will say lastly that make only few friends who will let you understand what's your potential in you, and who will show definitely a successful life path. And lastly I will say that हजार दोस्त रखने से ज्यादा एक ही दोस्त रखे जो हमारी लाइफ में हमें सही रास्ता दिखाए, एंड लाइफ के लिए हमारा जो मोटिव है उसको पाने के लिए हमें हर पग पर साथ दे. थैंक यू ऑल.
A wonderful speech given by Jignath. Okay, let's ask feedback from Manashi ma'am.
Hi Jignath. Hi ma'am. Yes. Can you just tell the meaning of your name, and you can just spell out or speak your name? It would be really great. Ma'am, actually my name is defined in Marathi because I'm Maharashtrian. That's why it is Jignyasha. But in Hindi it will pronounce like Jigyasa. And my name's meaning is curiosity. Okay.
And tell them your short name. Tell them your short name also.
Jigs.
So
That's really great.
Thank
you, ma'am. So it is easier for me and everyone who are hosting him. Okay, Jigs. So first of all, you had a good content of your speech, I'll say, and you can just speak eye to eye. That would be really. You can just connect. There was some chirpiness and liveliness in your speech, and that was really great. And we have to see more coming from you. So that's all from me. Over to Abhishek sir.
Okay, thank you, Manushi, for that. So I think Jigs, yeah, अरे लिखना पड़ेगा हमें, फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा सा ऐसे, एक तो दिखती कम है ना, एक तो दैट इज वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, वी आर प्रेजेंट लेस इन द सेशंस, तो उससे क्या होता है कि ध्यान थोड़ा सा, जिंक्स अभी याद रहेगा, तीन
सर
चार बार
बेसिकली
देंगे।
क्या होता है कि मेरा इस टाइम पर इंटर्नशिप का होता है, तो दैट्स व्हाई वो मतलब प्रेजेंट रहना मुश्किल हो गया था
कोई बात नहीं, इंटर्नशिप वालों को बोलो यहाँ पर ये बहुत जरूरी है, उनको बोलो ये
यस
मैं
सर।
लिखे अपने इंटर्नशिप में इस चीज को डालो।
ओके सर।
That's amazing. So I think first of all, really good. I can see the confidence that was coming out. You know, you were not stopping, even if the words are not coming. Yeah, जो भी हो रहा है, that's a different thing. But you are trying to, you know, kind of just go across, and that's a very good spirit. Okay, so that shows a lot of interesting confidence. Fluency, yeah, there's some work that has to be done. That will come more and more practice you do, na, the more fluent it
Yes sir,
will become.
I stuck in many things like
Yeah, but that's perfectly fine. Second is, I would like to say is try experimenting speech in multiple languages. Okay, so I'm pretty
Okay,
sure
sir.
you know Marathi.
Yes sir.
No, yes,
Yes sir.
like I know that. So try a speech in Marathi maybe, है ना?
Okay
And
sir.
try one speech in Hindi, only Hindi, and then try one speech in English. Okay.
Okay.
So the idea is to become a speaker. Language is not a barrier. It's about becoming a speaker and ability to speak and express from your heart. Okay. So that's
Okay,
something we are aiming here. So it's not about, you know, fluctuating on ऐसे करना. नहीं, नहीं, नहीं. Just have one language, be confident in it, and then, you know, you take another language, and that way it will be amazing.
Okay sir.
Okay. So that's something. Baki, keep smiling. That's amazing, and all the best for your internship.
Thank you.
Over to the host.
Thank you, sir, for giving feedback, and thank you, Marshita, for giving feedback. Then we can call upon the next speaker, our favorite speaker, Awesome Anshum.
थैंक यू सो मच अभिषेक सर, को लग रहा है काफी ज्यादा सरप्राइजिंग है सर, मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था इनसे बोलने के लिए। ओके सर, सर आई हैव समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट टू टॉक, लाइक we have a lot of speaker here who said that I have no friends, like I have zero friends, I'm friendless. So I'm not going to tease you, but I just like to say that I have 3,000 friends. No, I'm not teasing you. Let me start with my best friend. Yeah, these two are my best friends. When I'm sad, when I'm happy, when I'm excited, and sometimes when I'm abusing, these are my best friend. I go and like 20 minutes writing. Everything is here. My every emotion in this diary. This is third diary from 1 month. I write a lot. My best friend. He never leaves me alone in every situation. Whatever the weather, whatever the situation, it is always with me. And let me introduce my one more friend. Like this book. This is a novel. And it entertained me every minute. Like jokes and fun and everything. I got a lot of entertainment and fun. And this book, it entertains me a lot, and it helps me to improve, to be a better person. Like it shows me the way where I have to go, that right path for the life. That we are expecting every friend that he will tell us to go on the right path. And one very important best friend I need to introduce with you guys. Like she's really nice. I am a very bad flute player. I'm learning from 3 months, but she never leaves me and she never hates me that you are a bad player. I'm not going to play with you. Like whenever I put my flute, she said, "Okay, come on, let's play." So these are my best friends. I really love them. And one very very important best friend, like on your screen, there is a person in red T-shirt speaking, very handsome man, and like he's my best friend also. Okay, guys, he's also my best friend. He loves me, he likes me, he takes care of myself, and he like fed me, and like he's my best friend. So guys, there are a lot of friends there, but you are just not able to recognize them that they are friends. So go find you some other friends. Only not humans are friends, okay? And just go find your friends. I have a lot of them. I said no, 3,000. Like every book has 10 characters. I become one character, and the 9 are my friend now. So I got another book. I read it. So I am a huge book lover. Go find some books. You have a lot of friends. Don't worry, you are not alone. Thank you so much.
Awesome, Anshuman. Okay, we can ask feedback from Manashi, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
It's really difficult to give a feedback for Anshuman. It's really awesome, Anshuman. You are so much. Your speeches are always so much connecting, and what to say? The perfect speech that I find is yours, and I want to learn as you speak Hindi. I want to learn. Like, I'm not very much confident in speaking in Hindi, so I want to learn from you how to speak and give a good speech and create a good content in Hindi. That is really awesome.
Thank you so much,
So,
man.
Abhishek sir.
I think that's amazing. Thank you, Anshuman, for that speech, and I think that's really great. अच्छा लगा ओवरऑल जब आपने इस चीज को एड्रेस किया, फीलिंग द पेन ऑफ अदर पीपल एंड गिविंग देम अ डायरेक्शन. आई थिंक that's really amazing. Okay, my video has gone probably, so no worries, I'll have audio. So that's just amazing. And rightly said, with the passions and the things that you have, actually video होना चाहिए था अभी, क्योंकि I had some video. यार हाँ, video ही चला गया. I had something to show you guys. I'll show it on Wednesday now. I'll make you meet one of my friend called Chiku. But no worries. Okay, so I think that's amazing. अच्छा यार, बढ़िया है, सही है, cool है. All right, over to the host. अच्छा, before that I think मेरे पास है ना, मतलब मैं वीडियो दिखाना चाहता था, but I think वो वीडियो दिखा नहीं पाया मैं. आज लास्ट स्पीच होगा मानुषी का, और उसके बाद I'll play something for you. शायद फ्लूट पे अंशुमन है. अंशुमन ठीक से सीख ले. I have harmonica with me, so probably it goes something like.
Oh wow.
ठीक है, लास्ट में जाऊंगा. अभी मानुषी का स्पीच करते हैं. Over to the host.
I'll handle the hosting to Manashi, ma'am. Please.
I just have one question. Do we have some guest also giving the speech now?
अब तो कोई बचा नहीं है.
Anyone left? No? Okay.
सब चले गए.
So I planned this session, like everybody gives this speech, and I'll be ending the session with my views. So friendship. Friendship for me, friends for me, it's life. It's my life is friendship. So I found a very good friend in my mother, and since I found a very good mother and a very good friend in my mother, and since then the life is fantastic, So you can share without thinking anything, without you can share everything. But yes, it is after a certain age that she was able to act as a friend to me, because पहले उनको ऐसे थोड़ा मम्मी वाला फीलिंग रहता है ना कि हाँ ऐसे गलत कर रही है बेटी या कुछ ऐसा, बट थोड़े दिन बाद when you grow up ना, you can just find very good friends in your parents. And then I say that friendship is life for me. I say because I married my best friend. So my whole life, I was so afraid to lose him that I married him, and now he cannot leave. So that is why I say that friendship is life, and I met him in my college, and since then it's around more than a decade, I think so, and life has been wonderful. I would say yes, friends are very important. We have already seen some of the videos and studied some of the things, like where where there are so many theories that if you have good friends, if you had family, and you have people to talk, and you have time for them, you live a beautiful life. So this is life. You now, the thing that running behind something and not giving time to your important ones, and it will not take you anywhere. Friendship, friends, family, it's very important, and that can improve your life a lot. So with this, I just want to end with the line, हर एक friend जरूरी होता है. So over to Abhishek sir now.
Awesome, that's amazing. Thank you, Manushi, for such an amazing speech. Very light, very jolly, lightful, and yeah, मतलब मजा आ रहा था मतलब. You were like ऐसा कुछ pressure था नहीं ना about performance and everything. You were like, oh, friends is something that I know already. So this is something I can
Yeah.
talk. So let's take it across that way. I think that's amazing. But I would love to hear from audience. What do you think about her performance? Jigs?
Awesome,
Amazing.
sir.
Give
Parijita?
a obedient, नहीं, give a क्या?
Honest.
Real, honest
Honest.
feedback, please. I just forgot that word.
हाँ, Parijita बताओ भाई
Amazing
कैसा
speech,
लगा?
ma'am.
So it was good to the point. Like, so everyone has their own viewpoints. Like, my viewpoint could differ from hers. Like, she said that we can make parents our friends, but I think it is not in every case, because when we talk about that gender gap, when we talk about that mindset, sometimes, that hurdle really comes in between. So I
Yeah,
have.
that was the point. That is what I said, that you have to, when there is, when you cross certain age, after marriage, I think so, then mother is your best friend.
Uh,
Earlier
maybe
to that, they are like mummy, no mummy. After that, it will be like that.
so
Awesome.
that's all about my feedback.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, thank
What do you
you.
think, Jigs? We have to kind of remember ourselves, make it a habit to call you Jigs so that we are able to call you Jigs.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think?
Jigs is not here.
Okay.
Like,
Anybody else want to give any feedback?
I
Please give
want to.
the feedback.
I want
Yes,
to
sir,
say
I'm there.
something.
हाँ कहाँ भाग गई थी पानी पीने गई थी क्या
No, sir, no, sir.
हाँ
Actually, ma'am's speech was very wonderful. Topic was really great.
yeah that's just amazing. Okay, that's amazing. So I think Manushi, I really liked your speech overall. You kind of deserved the whole thing. You're like, yellow, bang on. This is you were like a pro on this. So that way, it was just amazing. Okay, and we're looking for a lot of heart-touching speeches like this. They're very light, happy, and joyful. That's just yeah, awesome. So in the end, I would like you to meet my friend. This is so I have two friends, by the way. Matlab, you get public speaking and you get music show also. Wow! In the same ticket. So this is my friend. This is called Newton Kumar. This is ukulele. All right. It goes something like
Sir, you used to play also this now in starting meditation session when we write
yeah,
20
yeah, yeah.
minutes. I remember the tone.
So I used to when I was like kind of traveling. I had a phase where I was traveling, searching things for my life, and all of that. So this was one of the friends that I had, and made it a lot of things easier. I didn't find him because I wanted to find him, but he found me by one of the roommates. So one of my roommates came and he was just sitting on the window and he was playing like this. I came in, whoa, what is this? And I was like, what is this instrument? And he said, it's a ukulele. And I go, okay, give it to me and I want to try it. I already tried with a guitar, with a lot of things. Guitar hurts the fingers. I've tried drums and everything. But nothing never went with me. And there it was. Whoa! I found myself one day in the night 3 a.m. playing this. And I was happy doing it. So it came as a thing I had to. So this was one of the things. I was moving out of Bangalore. Then I wanted him, I wanted to take him with me. And I asked the roommate, hey, can I take this? He was like, huh? What is this request? This is mine. So I was like, okay, but I'll buy you a new one probably. So this is old one. I will buy a new one and everything. It was like, not exactly, but no. Why don't I'll buy you a new one? I'll just give you a suggestion. You can take it from there. No, 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 I just want this one. And we went to a shop. We bought a new one. It costed something around $6,000 or so. And but yeah, I got this, and he was like, you're giving me new one for an old one. I go, yeah, friends are not traded. It was my friend. So from there, the journey started. I traveled across the country, and wherever I went, on a train, on a boat, walking, sitting in a metro, and a lot of places, one of the most important companions. So a lot of journeys we took across, and I gave him an offer. By the way, it was not only the convincing factor was I told him that the person from which I took this ukulele, I told him that I'm going to name this ukulele, and I would name it. Uh, the surname of yours can go with it, and I wanted to name Newton someone Newton, but I don't want to name my kids Newton probably. So then, so this is Newton Kumar, and Kumar is that guy's surname, and Newton is this, and that way I got a friend for life. Want to hear a song?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I'm not able to keep up. How do I do it? Can I do it like this? Yeah, this will do, right? Can you see me now? Can you see it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, let's jam it across. I think मेरे पास ऊपर कुछ white आ गया है, but I think we can jam it across. La 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 la, hey hey, la la la, hey hey hey, ah ah ah, hey hey hey, la la la. मजबूर किए जाए कोई दोनों के पीछे तेरी ओर लिए जाए आ गए हम यहाँ पे ये है तेसल्फिक का यहाँ सारा देखो आया यहाँ मानुषी है यही यहाँ है औसम अंशुमन यहाँ है अपर सभी फाइटिंग अपरिचिता इस from Shimla और यहाँ है जिग्सफी
Lovely, sir.
So yeah, so that's something which is there. So yes, so I found this as one of my friends, and this was my speech. Thank you. And some other time I will play harmonica for you. So this is one of the other plays, and they go really great together. So that is just a great jam. Yeah. All right, over to the host.
Okay, then. So with this musical note, we end the session today. This was really awesome because it has a beautiful topic as friendship. So just hold on to your friends. Don't let them go, and enjoy your Sunday. Thank you.
That's amazing. I'll see you guys on Wednesday with a fresh topic and with fresh energy. And that way, it's just amazing. Thank you, Manushi, for hosting it, and thank you, Saras, for hosting it out. That's amazing. And now is the game over. And the game has actually started probably. All right, over to you guys. Take care and cherish your friendship. That's amazing. Thank you, Manushi. Thank you, Anshu. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.